The big secret is it's not a road trip, it's actually a life trip. A trip where we pull back the curtain on what is this food system that we're part of? Where does our food come from? And what choices do I make as a teen and as a Jew? And you get to be a part of it. Eden Village is a camp that's all about social justice, environmentalism, and Jewish spirituality. And we get to bring all those things to bear on the road trip. You'll go downtown where there's a whole neighborhood where all the food and all the restaurants is locally sourced. How do they do that? Let's find out.
The campers all split up into groups and they have a grocery list and a budget, and they are running around getting food to sustain us for Shabbat.
We're here in the rain and we're preparing a Shabbat meal for tonight.
Take a deep breath in and breathe it all out into Shabbat.
We don't just watch the world go by, we actually go to farms and jump in and help out building new compost piles out of waste. Life is an adventure, and this road trip is certainly an adventure. Camping every night, cooking our own food. We're living together as a community, as a team, as a family. We go down south because we want it to be someplace that's novel, someplace that's different. In Atlanta, we actually work with an organization and we go collect neglected fruit from wild fruit trees, and then we go and hand those out and interact with homeless folks.
In order for us to really love the planet and to take care of the planet, we have to lay on it, and we have to sing songs in it, and we have to see it and touch it to understand it. You have to create a memory.
And it's amazing how quickly we become a family on this trip. And that's what you get to do on this trip. You get to create the community that you want to see in the world.